Hello students, how are you? I'm fine. So I hope all are fine. So today we are going to discuss JEE Main January 2020 questions, only center of mass. So what are the questions asked? That questions only we are going to discussing. So first two question is asked January 7, 2020 shift 1 physics center of mass question. So 3-point masses 1 kg, 1.5 kg, 2.5 kg are placed at the vertices of a triangle with sides 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm as shown in the figure. The location of center of mass with respect to 1 kg mass is. Okay, so I hope you understood this question. See here triangle is given. This is the question 1. So triangle is given. So this is the 1 kg and this is 3 centimeter, this is 1.5 kg and this is the 2.5 kg. So here this is 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So here two coordinates are forming x axis and y axis. So this is the origin point. Let us take here 1 kg of the point is 0 comma 0. This is 3 comma 0 and this is the 4 comma 0. Sorry, 0 comma 4. Okay, I hope understood this one. 3 points, x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So next we have to substitute here x center of mass is equals to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So we have to substitute here three coordinates of the equations m1 x1, this is x1 and x2 and x3. So m1 means here 1 comma 0, next to 1.5 into 3 plus and 2.5 into 0. So by total mass 5 kgs. So answer is through 4.5 by 5. So 0.9 centimeter. So we got x coordinate of the center of mass 0.9. So this is the right to the okay. So y center of mass is equals to m1 y1 plus m2 y2 and m3 and y3. So m1 plus m2 plus m3. I hope all are following. Okay. So next here m1 means here 1 into 0 plus here 1.5 into 0, next to 2.5 into 4. So this is the total mass 5. So option is here 10 by 2, 10 by 5. So 10 by 5 is equals to 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeters. So option is 0.9 comma 2 centimeter. So don't confuse here 0.2 centimeter. Three options, two options are there. So actually second option is correct. What is the second option? 0.9 centimeter to the right of 1 kg and 2 centimeter above 1 kg. So second option is correct. Okay. Next question. So actually January 7, 2020 shift to no questions, center of mass. Okay, next second question here, January 8, 2020 shift 1. Shift 1, one question is asked. Okay, good question. See here, very simple, but so find the coordinates of center of mass of the lamina shown in figure. So lamina is given. See here, question number 2. I hope understood. Okay. Next, this is the lamina. This is the lamina here. This is lamina is given 0 comma 0. This is 1 comma 0 and next 0 comma 3 and this is the means here 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. Okay. So this is also given 1 comma 2. So this lamina center of mass. Very simple, we are going to deriving. Actually, two rectangular plates are there here. Two rectangular plates, this is the center and this is also center. The first plate of the masses is same and second plate and both masses are the same. So question is also mentioned same like that. Means here this is the 0.5 comma 1. How this is center point? This is center point 1 means 0.5 and vertically here actually this is 2 means this is 1 and similarly here horizontally this is the 1 and vertically this is 2 means this is height 2.5 centimeter. So we have to substitute here here m1 x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus this is the r center of mass is equals to next to m2 x2 I cap plus y2 j cap. okay, by m1 plus m2. Okay, actually here masses are both are same. Okay, next we have to substitute here x1 y1, this is the position vector, and here also this is the position vector 1 comma in this point. Okay, so we have to substitute in these equations. R center of mass is equals to m1 1 into x1 means here x1 0.5 1 by 2 I cap, next to plus y1, so y1 means here, so here y1 is 1, so j cap, next to m2 value is 1 and x2 value, I hope understood this one, this formula, so very important, and this one x2 means here x2 I cap, next to 5 by 2 j cap. Why 5 by 2 here? 2.5 is given, so 5 by 2 I am writing. So total mass is 2. So R center of mass is equals to, so shall I write here LCM I cap plus 2j cap by 2 plus here 2I cap plus 5j by 2 by, so 2. So we finally we are getting here I plus 2I, 3I by 4, and this is the 5 plus 2, so 7j by 4, so this is the 0.75 and 7 by 4, so 1.75, so option is this one, so option is correct, option is 1, 0.75 and 1.75, so option 1 is correct. So next question, see your next question asked, date 8 January 2020, shift 2. Okay, so question is a uniform solid sphere of radius r has cavity of radius 1 centimeter, cut from it if center of mass of system lies at the periphery of the cavity, then. So removing here one solid sphere, one cavity is removing. See, diagram is given. So this is the solid sphere, and solid sphere have in this inside of the cavity is removing. Okay, actually here this cavity radius is 1 centimeter and total diameter is 2 centimeter. Okay, this is 2 centimeter. I hope understood this one. Cavity radius is 1 centimeter and diameter is 2 centimeter. And here this is the solid sphere radius is r. Okay, now these two distance means here distance, this is c1 and this is c2, and c1 c2 distance is r minus 1. Okay, r minus 1, I hope understood this one. This distance is r minus 1, and next this distance is center point is shifted here. Center of mass is shifted. This is 2 means this is r. This is 2 minus r. I hope understood. Actually here given this is the radius is 1 centimeter and this is the radius is r, and this distance is r minus 1, and this is the shifted center of mass is, so this is 2. Actually this total is 2 centimeter. This distance is 2 minus r. I hope understood this one. Next, here actually solid sphere mass is equals to what here formula? Volume into density. So solid sphere volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho density. Okay, m2 is equals to, this is solid sphere and this m2 is equals to here cavity of the mass. Okay, cavity mass. So 4 by 3 pi into 1 cube into minus rho. Why you are writing minus rho means actually here removing this cavity in the solid sphere. Okay, I hope understood this one. We know x center of mass is equals to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. So we have to substitute here formula. So x center of mass we know here how much, 2 minus r. Actually here which side, which direction here? My negative direction. So we have to write here negative direction center of mass shifted, minus 2 of minus 2 minus r is equals to m1 value. So 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho x1. So x1 see here origin point. This is the origin point, center point is 0, 0 and this is shifted r minus 1. So this is 0 and plus m2 value 4 by 3 pi r, r means here 1 cube into minus rho into, actually here x2 value is r minus 1, so r minus 1 by this one m1 plus m2, same like that 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho and plus here 4 by 3 pi r r means 1 cube into minus rho. Okay, I hope understood this one. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel, and rho and rho cancel. So finally here minus of 2 minus r is equals to, this is negative is there, minus of r minus 1 by, and this one r cube minus 1. Okay, actually 1 cube. So minus and minus here, so here 2 minus r is equals to r minus 1 by, this is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula, students. So a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So here writing r minus 1 into r square plus r plus 1. So 1 cube. So finally here r minus 1 cancel. So answer is here r square plus r plus 1 into 2 minus r is equals to 1. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, I hope understood this one. So option is here, option 1 is correct. Okay. Question number 4. Find center of mass of given rod of linear mass density lambda is equals to a plus b into x by l whole square. X is the distance from one of its end, length of the rod is L. So options are also given. Okay, this is the lambda is equals to a plus b into x by L whole square. Okay, lambda value given. For example, one rod is there. We know here this is the dm, this small part of the mass is dm, and distance is here dx, this is the x distance. We know x center of mass of the formula, any rigid bodies, integration x dm by integration dm. So here dm value, dm is equals to lambda into dx. So lambda is given, so a plus b into x by l whole square into dx. So we have to substitute in this equation, we will get answer. See here, very simple. So integration x dm. So what is the integration x into dm value? So a plus b into x by l whole square into dx. So limits are 0 to l. This rod length is also given. How much rod length is? Rod length is, this is dx. So length l. Okay, so by integration dm value, so a plus b into x by l whole square into dx. So this is also limits 0 to l. Okay, I'm solving here integration method. So integration we know already here, after integration we will get answer. See integration ax plus b into x cube by l square into dx 0 to l, and next integration a is constant, but integration 0 to l dx plus b into b by l square, and here x square dx. Okay, this is integration method, we know this one, clear. So after integration we will get answer here. So a into x square by 2, limits are 0 to l. Okay, 0 to l plus b into, this is the l power 4 by l square, means directly we are substituting here l square, makes okay, limits also substituting here. Finally we are getting here, see here, a into l plus p by bl by 3. Okay, so after LCM we get here, see, so finally 3a, sorry, finally we are getting 2a final 2a plus b by 3a plus b into 3L by 4. After solving this one, we are getting 2A plus B by 3A plus B into 3L by 4. So finally this option is which one correct? 3L by 4 2A plus B by. So second option is correct. Okay. Second option is correct. I hope understood these all things. Okay. Thank you students. So you are watching my videos. Thank you, very useful video this one. So share, like and share and subscribe. Thank you very much. All the best.